Welcome to my 5-part series on using key elements to compose a successful photo. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate photographer, understanding these key elements will elevate your photography, helping you create images that captivate and tell a compelling story. In this series, we'll explore 5 fundamental components of composition. 1, focal points. 2, perspective. 3, background. 4, using light. And 5, framing. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in how your photograph is perceived and how effectively it communicates your vision. This series on photo composition is loosely based on a book by Tom Clark titled Digital Photography Composition for Dummies. I highly recommend purchasing this book. Prints are hard to find new, but you can find used all around, and Amazon does have the Kindle version available. Before we dive into today's topic, let's briefly talk about composition. Composition is the arrangement of elements within your frame. It's how you guide the viewer's eye through your photo, telling them where to look and what to feel. Good composition is the foundation of a successful photograph, transforming a simple snapshot into a powerful visual story. In this first video, we're focusing on the concept of focal points. The focal point is the part of your photo that draws the most attention. It's where you want your viewer's eye to land first. The focal point is crucial because it often tells the story within the photo. It's the element that conveys the message or emotion that you want to communicate. Choosing the right focal point depends on the story you want to tell. Ask yourself, what is the most important part of this scene? What do you want the viewer to notice first? Your focal point could be anything: person, an object, a color, a light source, or even a pattern. But it should always serve the narrative of your photo. Now let's talk about 4 techniques to ensure your focal point stands out, making your photos more dynamic and engaging. Number 1, using contrast. Contrast is one of the most effective ways to highlight your focal point. This could be through color contrast, like a bright subject against a dark background, or tonal contrast, like a well-lit subject in a shadowy environment. Contrast naturally draws the eye, making your focal point unmistakable. Number 2, rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a classic composition technique that involves dividing your frame into 9 equal parts using 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Think of a tic-tac-toe board. By placing your focal point along these lines or at their intersections, you create a balanced and visually pleasing composition. This subtle shift away from the center can add interest and draw the viewer's eye more effectively. Number 3, eliminating competing elements. To make your focal point stand out, eliminate anything in the frame that competes for attention. This might mean changing your angle, zooming in, or even just waiting for the right moment. Simplifying your composition helps ensure that your focal point remains the star of the show. Number 4, choosing the right moment to capture your photo. Timing is everything. Sometimes the right moment is when the light hits just right, or when your subject is in the perfect position. Being patient and observant can make all the difference. Wait for that decisive moment when all the elements come together to enhance your focal point. Mastering focal points is just the beginning. By carefully selecting and enhancing your focal point, you can guide your viewer's eye and tell a compelling story through your photos. In the next video, we'll dive into the world of perspective, exploring how changing your angle or viewpoint can dramatically alter the impact of your photo.